Hello, I was contacted by Victoria's Moon. You may remember that a few months back now I did the unboxing of the diamond painting, and I am still intending to share that when I get some time to start it. And I was also contacted to see if I would like to do the painting by numbers. Now, first of all, I thought, okay, that sounds a bit sort of something nice for a child. And then I thought, okay, if it's going to be like a grown up painting, like grown up colouring, fine, but I'm not very good at painting. Obviously, it's paint by numbers. But in the end, I looked at the website and I looked at the choices I had, and I must say that it was mostly because of one particular painting that I really liked, and I decided I'd like to have a go at it. Today I am going to unbox it. So it's very similar to the box that obviously the diamond painting comes in. And let's have a look. So we've obviously got the canvas there with the image on. Then we have these. Mine is more of a monotone, so hence the fact there's no bright colours. It's empty. I've got plenty of paint brushes, but you do get some brushes. Now, you might have just had a sneak peek of the one I chose. I think this might just slide off, or is it taped? No, it is taped. Oh, I do believe that is upside down. Now, you may or may not be able to tell what that is. It is a person. Don't think no, there's no thumbnail on that. So it's come wrapped around this bit of polystyrene to keep it nice and neat. And I'm going to roll that back up. This feels like a really nice weight canvas as well. It feels quite thick. You obviously have the key up in that corner. And our paints are obviously here. I like the fact that they're in this little thing here, because that's going to keep them nice and sturdy so they don't get knocked over. Obviously, like I say, we have got the brushes here, and we've also got the hooks in there to hang it. And I chose, ta-da, Audrey Hepburn. As I said, it was mainly that made me go, okay, what the heck, let's give it a go. Now I just really need to see how it's going to turn out. Elusive's got it's got 7 different colours. Like I say, it's a monochrome, so hence the sort of greys and whites. I am really looking forward to doing it, but I'm also slightly hesitant because I can't remember the last time I did a paint by numbers. And I think I was probably a child, so it didn't really matter what turned out. And yeah, I'd really like this to turn out quite well actually, because I would like to frame it and put it on the wall, because I am a huge Audrey Hepburn fan, which might not come as a surprise to some of you, bear in mind the vintage style that I like. I just need to hope that this works and goes well. But obviously I will share that with you, so you can judge that. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, cheerio.